Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So, for today's video, we're going to talk about how to create an official Facebook page or Facebook business page on Facebook using your mobile devices. So, today we're going to use an Android, and let's get started. So, go and click the hamburger icon. From here, click See More, and then go to Pages. Now, what you want to do here is click on Create and select Professional. Afterwards, just select create a new page, click on next, and then these are the things that you'll be getting once you start a page. So you'll get access to different tools. Now, name your page or input the name of your page. Afterwards, select the category of your business. So let's say food and drinks is our business category. Just gonna click on create. And then from here, we'll now put in a short biography of our business. So let's say here that we offer a variety of Filipino foods, like so. Be mindful, however, that for the bio, there is a limited number of words. So as you can see here, it no longer allows me to input any more words here. So this is gonna be our general bio. Then you can also add your contact. If you have a website or a domain, definitely add that here. And then add an email or your phone number as well. And then your location. So let's put the location here like that. Your zip code. But all of these are mandatory, are optional. So it's not really something that you need to do. So next, put in the hours of your business. When will you be operating? What days of the week and how long? You can customize this depending on your operation. And then afterwards, just click on next. So as you can see, there's also a page health checker. If it's good, if it's bad, or if it needs help. Eventually, you can just go ahead and fill these up later once you have created the account. And then just click on done. If you want notifications about marketing and stuff, then definitely tick those circles. And then once you're done, automatically it will switch to your business profile. And that's it. You're done. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.